Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss.
Morning, Miss.
Okay, welcome back to science class with me. Please turn on your camera, and for those who has a bad connection, please tell me so I can give you permission to turn off the camera. Now I will check your attendance first. Nisha Atika Sari.
Yes, Miss. Present.
Okay, how are you today, Nisha? Hello, Nisha. How are you today?
I'm fine, Miss. How about you?
I'm fine too. Thank you for asking. And then Hana Lutfia.
Present, Miss.
How are you today, Hana?
I'm good, Miss. Thank you.
Okay. And then Rahil Nurfilha.
Yes, Miss. Present.
How are you today, Rahil?
I'm good, Miss. How about you?
I'm good also. Thank you for asking. So all of you say that you are fine and in good condition, but some of you also looks like so tired. Is it because the previous class or there is something bad happened to you?
Because
I'm hungry, Miss.
And our previous class is sport also, Miss.
Oh, so your previous class is sport and now you are tired and hungry. Okay, I see. So let's do a little ice breaking first. So I will share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, Miss. I can see your screen.
Okay, please find the correct way that belongs to the good mood from the picture. You can start now.
Is it
From the last.
Yeah, the bottom one, Miss.
the bottom one, Miss?
Yes, your answer is correct. It's the last one. So all of you have find the good mood. So I hope now we are happy and ready to start the lesson. But before we start, I would like to ask you some questions. What do you know about stimulus and response? Based on your prior knowledge, anyone, please?
I think the stimulus is a change in environment, while the response is the reaction of the organism to the stimulus, Miss. Maybe.
Right. Thank you for the answer. It's good answer. And how about the others? Do you agree with Hannah or do you have any other idea?
I'm agree with Hannah, Miss.
Okay, thank you for your response. And now the next question, have you ever got a stimulus and response to it? Have you?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, of course. What kind, Rahil? What kind of stimulus and response that you have experienced?
When we smell the bad smell and accidentally we cover the nose, Miss.
Okay. How about the others?
May I, Miss?
Sure, Nisha. Go ahead.
It is when I get hurt, I suddenly say ow or avoid the the things that make hurt.
Okay, great. How about you, Hannah?
I think when I feel cold, I wearing the jacket to make me warm, Miss.
Okay, that's good answer. So it means that we are agree that we as a human can feel the stimulus and can respond to it. But how about plants? Do you think that plants also can respond to some stimulus?
Yes,
I'm
Miss.
not sure, but I think yes.
If it is yes, can you imagine or predict what kind of stimulus that plants can respond?
The leaves, Miss, if we touch the leaves, it will close.
The leaves of Putri Malu, Miss.
Yes, it is the leaf of Putri Malu. Actually, I have give you a clue in the picture. The shame plant or Putri Malu, it will be closed when get touched. So it is one of the example of stimulus and response in plant. So before we go to the material, I will show you a video first. Is my screen already changed to the video?
Yes, Miss.
Okay,
Yes,
please take a look and pay attention to the video. So, based on the animation video, can you predict what kind of stimulus that plants can respond? Nah, this one. You can guess from the name, there are geotropism and phototropism. Can you predict?
May I, Miss?
Yes, sure.
I think for the phototropism, photo means light, so the stimulus is from the light.
Yes. How about the geotropism? Any idea?
May I?
Okay, Nisha first.
For geotropism, it is stimulus from the soil, Miss.
Okay, how about you, Philha? Do you have different answer?
No, Miss, I'm agree with Nisha.
Okay, thank you for your response. Now, I will clarify your answer and deliver the material. Is my screen already changed again to the PowerPoint?
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Okay, thank you. So, our topic today is tropic responses. And the learning objectives, there are 5. Based on the learning objective, the scope of the lesson that we will discuss are definition of tropic responses, gravitropism, phototropism, tropic responses in shoot and root, and also advantages of tropic responses. So, as we discussed before, living organism is able to respond to stimulus and also plant, but plants do not respond by moving their whole bodies. However, parts of them do respond to stimulus, and some of these responses are described as tropic responses or tropism. So, tropic responses are ground movement related to directional stimulus. And ground movement of this kind are usually in response to the direction of light or gravity. But actually, there are so many types of tropism, such as hydrotropism, which is a response to water, and then thigmotropism, which is response to touch, and chemotropism, which is response to chemical. But we only discuss two types now, which are gravitropism and phototropism. So for the key definition that you should remember, gravitropism is same with geotropism that stated in the video. So gravitropism or geotropism is a response in which a plant grows toward or away from gravity. So it is not to the soil, but it is to gravity. As you can see from the picture, if the plant organ responds by growing toward the stimulus, the response is said to be positive. But if the response is grow away from the stimulus, it is said to be negative. So there are two types of response, positive and negative. And for the example is in the picture, if a plant is placed horizontally like this, its stem will change its direction and it is grow upward like this. It is away from the gravity. And then the second one is phototropism. It is a response in which a plant grows toward or away from the direction from which light is coming. So your answer previously, it is correct. Phototropism is response to light. The example is this picture. So it is slightly bent, the plant, because they follow the direction of the light. And then how about the gravitropism and phototropism in shoot and root? Shoot is the top part of the plant while root is in the bottom. So for the concept, you should also remember this one. The shoot is negatively gravitropic. Anyone please can answer why it can happen? Why the shoot is negatively gravitropic?
It is because
Go ahead, Nisha.
maybe feel hack, Miss.
Okay, Philhak first.
For the negatively gravitropic, it is because the growth away from gravity.
Yes, exactly correct. And then in the root, why the gravitropism is positive?
May I?
Maybe.
Okay, Hannah first.
So I think it is because it grows toward the gravity, Miss.
Yes. So as I said before, the response said negative if it is away from the gravity and positive if it is towards the stimulus. And then for the phototropism, the shoot is positively phototropic. Can you answer why it can happen?
May I, Miss?
Sure, Nisha.
It is because the growth it is away from the light, Miss.
Okay, and then for the last one, it is the root negatively phototropic. Why it can happen?
Because it's towards the light, Miss.
Yes, excellent. So the key concept that you should remember is negative away from the stimulus and positive it's toward the stimulus. Before we go to the next material, is there any questions?
From me, no, Miss. It's clear.
It's clear enough, Miss.
Okay, thank you. If it is clear, now I will divide you into 3 groups to discuss about the advantages of tropic responses. Previously, I told you that the shoot is negatively gravitropic and positively phototropic, while the root is positively gravitropic and negatively phototropic. So you have to analyze what advantages that plants get from those conditions. Do you understand for the topic of your discussion?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, wait, I will set the group. So for group 1, consists of Ai, Safa, and Nisha. And you should discuss about positive phototropism of shoot. And then for the group 2, there are Mufti, Agnya, and Filha. You should discuss about negative gravitropism in shoots, the advantages that plants get. And for the last group, consists of Hana, Anazar, and Rizkia. You should discuss about positive gravitropism in roots. Okay, please rename your display name of your Zoom. For example, 1 underscore your name based on your number of the group. So I can assign you to the breakout room. I will give you 15 minutes and you can find any references such as book, article, trusted website, or etc. All right, I already assigned you, so you can join now. Okay, students, it's already 15 minutes and all of you already joined to the main room. Have you finished?
We already finished, Miss, for group 3.
Okay, good job. All groups have done. Now I will invite each group to present your discussion result, starting from group 1, 2, and 3. Now group 1 first, please.
Yes, Miss. Can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yes, Nisha.
that's all, group 1.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Now we continue to 2. Representative of group 2, you can deliver your discussion result.
Me, Miss, I'm the representative. Can you see my screen?
Yes. That's all, group 2.
That's all, Miss.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Now we will go to the last group. For group C, the representative of group 3, you can deliver
Yes.
discussion result.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Maybe that's all from us, Miss.
Thank you, group 3, and also thank you for all of you for your explanation. All of the discussion results are great and excellent. Now I will show you the illustration to make it clearer. Wait, I'll show you the second video. Can you see the video, the second video?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
It is the demonstration or illustration of positive phototropism of shoots. As you can see, it's grow toward the source of light. It is a time lapse, yeah. Actually, it is so long time. So as you have explained before, by growing toward the source of light, a shoot brings its leaf into the best situation for photosynthesis, and for flowers, for plant that has flower, it will be brought into an exposed position to be pollinated by flying insect. And then for the third video, wait. Can you see the third video?
Yes, Miss.
It is the demonstration of illustration of negative gravitropism in shoots. So as you can see, the shoot, the top part of the plant is negative gravitropism or growth away from the gravity. So although the plant is placed horizontally, but the shoot are still grow upward. So it will lift the leaves and flowers above the ground and helps the plant to compete for light and carbon dioxide. It is similar from the first one, positive phototropism. So the flowers also can be placed to the position that best for insect or wind pollination. Okay, maybe that's all from the video. And now about the positive gravitropism in roots. Positive gravitropism in roots means that it's grow toward the gravity. So as we know that roots penetrate the soil, which is their means of anchorage, and their source of water and mineral salts are available in the roots. And then for explanation from Hannah, it is enable a large volume of soil. It is the lateral root, this one. It can be said as a branch of root. So it is not positively gravitropic. They grow at right angle, as you can see, or slightly downward from the main root. This one is the main root. And this response enables a large volume of soil to be exploited and helps to anchor the plant securely. So do you understand?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, now check your understanding. I will ask you to do a short quiz by using quizzes platform. So you can prepare quizzes on your laptop. You can type on the Google quizzes.com. Okay, there is Rahil already joined.
Wait, me still loading, Miss.
Okay, it's okay, Nisha. So the quiz only consists 8 questions related to the material that we have discussed before. And please do your best, because the one who get the highest score will get a reward from me. Okay, all of you already joined, so I will start the quiz now. So you can send me your phone number and you can choose whether you prefer to get a saldo for Dana or Shopee Pay or OVO or etc. Okay? Okay, that's all from the quiz, and prepare for the next quiz with the different topic. And now it's going to the end of the lesson. So I will give you a homework first. Can you see the worksheet?
Yes, Miss.
So it is for extending your knowledge. I want you to do an experiment at your home, and you will do it in a group using a previous group. So the name of the experiment is plant phototropism experiment. The objective is to identify how plants bend toward certain colors of light. For the tools and materials, for the procedure, so in the result, you can show the picture for each box. There is clear, red, green, and blue. And then for the discussion, there are 3 questions that you need to answer. And the last, you can state your conclusion here. Is there any question related to the material and the assignment?
No, Miss. I think it's clear.
Okay, later I will share the link of the worksheet to our WhatsApp group, and you can make a copy like this for the worksheet, and you can fill the worksheet in the copy one. If there is no question, I would like to inform you that next week you should done with the experiment result and complete the worksheet. And next week, each group will present the result and we will discuss about it. After that, we will continue to the next material, still about tropic responses, but we move to thigmotropism, chemotropism, and hydrotropism. Okay, now, before we close the session, please, one of you conclude our lesson today. Maybe Rahil, you can conclude our lesson today.
Okay, Miss. For the tropic responses are growth movement of plants related to directional stimuli. And for gravitovism or geotropism is a response in which plants grow toward or away from gravity for the negative. And phototropism is a response in which a plant grows towards or away from the light, the direction of light. Yes.
That's all.
And one more, Miss, the
Okay.
shot is negatively gravitopic and positively phototropic, while the root is positively gravitopic and negatively phototropic.
Okay, good answer. Thank you for concluding the lesson. Is there anyone who wants to add something for our conclusion today?
May I?
Okay, Nisha, go ahead.
There are three conditions which can give advantages for plant, which are positive phototropism of shoot, negative gravitopism in shoot, and positive gravitopism in roots.
Okay, great. Thank you for Rahil and Nisha who have conclude our lesson today. So now let's end up the class by saying Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you for coming. Thank you for your participation and activeness and enthusiasm. See you next week. I will close the session. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.